Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, S&P 500, E-mini futures, and what we're seeing is the same dynamic play out over and over again. You're seeing morning dips, that the dip buyers are coming in and picking off. They used the release of Janet Yellen's remarks yesterday when the prepared remarks came out of embargo to make a nice low around 10 o'clock, right in the area of our proprietary lower level, and it just essentially bounced it the rest of the day. The opening print from the regular trading session remains important. The opening print yesterday was 21.06 quarter. Your pullback right around 12:30 was to the tick on that opening print. So those are a couple of things that we try to identify early on in the room, and utilize those throughout the course of the day. So you had the initial dip, which has been there every day, and you've got you had a second chance on a move back to the opening print that yielded another 9 handles up into the close. As for myself, we traded both sides of it. I shorted 21.15 near the close. I still have 2/3 of that. I'd like to take another third of it off at 21.10 and then just see where we go. I'd like to hold the runner into today's morning dip, which will play out in one of two ways. Either we'll get the traditional morning dip that will come in and get bought, which will be a good place for people to get long to see if the bulls can continue this uptrend, or you'll see a rejection of that area, and you'll start to see some lower highs created and some lower lows. If that can happen, then maybe the bears can put together a day. But I would imagine that it's going to be pretty choppy, and that whatever pullback we get isn't going to last very long, simply because the bears are so wounded, and they have put so many layers of support underneath them. The bulls from here could give it up all the way to 2080 without any, and just have it still be noise, without any break of even the most strong, uptrend. So, that's really where we are. We're looking for dips. You're looking for a change in the dynamic. Janet Yellen's at day 2. She's in front of the House today. Prepared remarks don't change unless they've covered something that wasn't covered in the Q&A yesterday. It's probably pretty much a non-event, maybe just some entertaining television to watch if you're into that kind of a thing. Beyond that, it's probably a non-issue. So watch the opening print from the regular session, watch the morning dip, and whether the opening print from regular session can create resistance or if it's going to break through and become support again. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.